What is going on, everybody? I am super pumped right now because I just got a package from my boy Bucky Lasek, and this is the Kartboy Lasek collaboration pitch stop mount. So let's go ahead. I want to unwrap this and take a look at it, and then we're going to get it installed in my WRX. So I'm pretty pumped because Bucky Lasek is probably like one of my favorite people to watch on Instagram right now. And if you've seen any of my videos, you've seen that I've got a ton of skateboards and I've been skating for a long time. And he's definitely one of the people that I look up to as far as skateboarding goes. So we got that inside of a second package. Let's open up this part. Pull it out. And there she is. In a nice Ziploc. And pull that baby out. Comes with a cool Lasek sticker. I'm going to be sticking that somewhere on the car. Then it also comes with a Kartboy sticker. Now I'm going to take a look at this. Now all of this is laser engraved. We got that. And then we got the Lasek on the side. So I'm pretty pumped because I think this thing is pretty unique. I don't know what the quantity run on this was, but I wanted something that was one of a kind for my vehicle, and I think this is definitely the part for that. So I'm gonna go ahead, take off my intercooler, and get this bad boy put in right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking out this 12mm bolt, these two 10mm bolts, and then loosening up that hose clamp right there. And then I'm gonna come over to the other side and take out these two 12mm bolts on the turbo. Gonna use some needle nose. Grab this clamp right here and squeeze it and pull it back so that we can take this part off. I just want to swing this out of the way. I'm going to use my screwdriver, loosen up this clamp here. So this freaking bolt right here, it's got me a little bit worried. It's pretty tight, so I just hit it with some PB Blaster. Probably put a little bit more on actually. It is really tight, and I'm kind of worried that the bolt is stripped. So that would kind of be bad news. So I'm gonna let this sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna come back and try to get that bolt out. Okay, well I got it out. I may have to run a tap back through that to re-chase the threads, but I got the bolt out anyways. So now I should be able to slide this intercooler up and out of the engine. Alright, so with that out of the way, that gives us access to the 14mm that are on the front and back of the pitch stop. Now this one you're only going to need a wrench for this side. The other side is a welded nut, but down here on top of the transmission you're going to need two 14mm. Second bolt out, there's a couple of washers on here which I just dropped, so that's cool. There it is, it's out. Now that this thing is out of the car, like everyone talks about how bad it feels, and it is true. This thing is very weak. The plastic feels very cheap. So this Kartboy Lasek pitch stop mount is going to be a lot better since this is made out of metal. So let's go ahead and throw this baby in there. Alright guys, there it is. It is in the car and it looks really good. It's too bad nobody will ever see it underneath the intercooler. So now that I got that in, now I'm gonna go and put everything all back together and get it finished up. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up the install video today for the Kartboy / Lasek pitch stop mount. Go ahead, give me a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and leave a comment below telling me what you think about this part, and we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.